National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Portage County until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 11 miles north of Streetsboro and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ravenna, Manaway, Streetsboro, Garrettsville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Portage County, Ohio,